name is Manya and I study masters here in Germany. I live in Rosenheim city, and after a lot of demand from you all people from approximately 1 year to give you the tour of the University TH Rosenheim as well as the dormitory tour, I am finally here with the vlog of the university tour. So right now I am at the Rosenheim city main station, Hauptbahnhof. Just have a view. Every 34 of every hour there goes a tiny little train to our university, so we are going to board this and go to the Hochschule station. Okay guys, so this is the Rosenheim Hochschule. So guys, it took us just 2 to 3 minutes from Rosenheim main station to reach here at the Hochschule station. It's a pretty villagey view of Rosenheim city. And from here, I guess we need to walk just 7 to 8 minutes and we'll reach the Rosenheim Hochschule. Come. Okay guys, so we finally reached Technische Hochschule Rosenheim, and this is the main building. These are, I guess, A, B and C. I study international management here, so all the management related courses were basically in these 3 buildings only. So I'm going to show you in detail these 3 buildings, but the university is very big. Acquaint yourself with which building is where. You can look at the map here at the entrance. It's all written in German, and we have other buildings there also, and there you can see a small bus stop. From there also, like after every half an hour, a bus goes to the Rosenheim city center. So many people commute through bus as well as the train with which we just came. Okay, so without much further ado, let's go inside the university and take a quick tour. So this is building B, here is building A, and here is building C. So just in the middle of these 3 buildings, we have a common area to just, chill, do your leisure activities, eat anything. Here we have Mensa. Come here. So guys, this is the cafeteria of a university, which is also called the Mensa. So come, I'll give you a quick tour of the Mensa because it is just about to close. Here we have all the Getränke menu, like all the drinks. You get all types of coffees, hot chocolate. So when you enter the Mensa, here we have one machine. So every student gets a university ID card which he can put here and reload the card with these currency notes. So like €5, €10, €20. And with that card you pay for whatever you need. Then we take one plate from here. We have so many options here, not just non-vegetarian. We have vegetarian, vegan option. And for students, the rate is quite reasonable because it is operated by Studentenwerk München. So in TUM Munich as well as Rosenheim, the same authority operates all this. It's finished right now, but here we have some more soups as well as breads. This side we have salad section. Right now it's not finished because Mensa is closing because it's almost 2, so it closes around 1:32. It opens at 11 AM. We have all the drinks also here. Yeah, my students also here. And these are just some dressings which you can put in your salad or your pasta. Okay guys. So when you are done filling your plate, you just put your plate here. So this machine just scans whatever the weight of the machine is. We select vegetarian or non-vegetarian. The amount comes on the screen and we place our university ID card here, and then the amount is automatically deducted. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that's how you select. It weighs and accordingly you pay. And come over here, sit and eat. And we also have seating outside. Considering the weather is very beautiful nowadays, it's sunny finally in Germany. So just sit here and have a beautiful brunch or lunch with your friends. Okay, so just outside the Mensa, when you go on the first floor, you have the library over there. And here we have a very interesting concept that we can return our books by self, whatever we bought from the library, with whatever time limit you have. Here we have the silent room in which you can do your self-study, but you have to be, of course, and we have to be silent inside the library also, but so, I can't speak much inside, but I'll give you a tour. Come. Here you take the printouts. And here are the computers for you. After library, I'm going to show you a classroom, and on the way you can see these are the notice boards, and here all the job vacancies, working student internships, and all the events which are going to happen in the university all are displayed here. So keep an eye on this if you're here, and it's good to see the classroom here. Okay, so connecting from the B building, this is the A building in which most of my classes happened, and you can have a look of this class. So this is what an ideal normal size class looks like here. The USP of classes here is the view. We get a beautiful mountain view from the class. And if you know about the famous company Gabber, so you can see the Gabber factory outlet is over here, which you can see from this class. It's quite big. And yes, we have a wash basin also in the classes here, and just for information, we drink from the tap water, so we fill our water bottles also from here. First the ABC buildings, and this was the bus stop that I was talking about. Here we have some more building, DE. Here I used to have my lab classes of supply chain, and I'm not sure which all subjects are taken up here, but I'm going to take you a little further and show you the main university area for engineering students. So these are the R&S buildings, mainly for engineering students. Also, we have our international office in that building. We also have some vocational activities like dance classes, which also happen in these buildings. I have not come here often, but I can give a brief idea. And students mostly travel by bicycles here. So as you can see, all the students have parked their bicycles here. And you can notice another thing, raucher zone. So yeah, here we have dedicated areas to smoke, as most Germans, old, young, middle, I don't know, everybody smokes. Not a good thing, but they do. Here also, like a notice board, all the jobs openings are displayed. The students can also, like, you know, participate in helping organize any events. So let's go inside the R building once. I like these buildings better because these are very pretty. We also have vending machines here. Chocolates, drinks. We also have various places to fill our water bottles.
This is for cold water. This is for sparkling water. It's a medium in light, and I think it's plain water, I think.
Okay, let's fill sparkling water. Okay, so how is the sparkling water? Apparently she doesn't like sparkling water. I like it. She's going to throw the water. These buildings have a little bit of facilities, and for all the international students who are coming, our 2.22 room, which is on the second floor, there you can go and go to the international office for any problems or any inquiries. Okay, so guys, this is it for the university tour. I'm not given the full tour of the university. We still have some more buildings, but those are quite far. Those are mainly for nursing and medical students who have good technology courses available. Those buildings are over there. This is one of the course which is very unique to our university because it is not widely available throughout in Germany. Anyway, so this is it for the university tour. Thank you so much if you have watched the video till now, and I would ask you to stay tuned because the next video is of the student dormitory. I'm going to give you my dorm tour also, the university dorm tour. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now, and just stay tuned for the university dorm tour. And also thank you so much to my cameraman cum director Naisargika. Thank you. Bye. In which you get your ID card. In which you get your ID card, which you basically
Second take.
मैंने पहला कहाँ से सेकंड दिल्ली कितना दूर है
दोबारा.
And we have ice cream. कैमरा करूँ? And क्या बोलना?
बस रूम टूर. स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट पार्ट क्योंकि अब मैं वोनाई में शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ.
अब हो गई जब खत्म होने वाला है. क्या बोलूँ?
काटा तुम तेरी